Skip to content navigation menu, actions, automate any workflow, packages, host and manage packages, security, find and fix vulnerabilities, code spaces, instant dev environments, GitHub Pilot, write better code with AI, code review, manage code changes, issues, plan and track work discussions, collaborate outside of code, explore, learning pathways, white papers, ebooks, webinars, customer stories, partners, GitHub sponsors, fund open source developers, the README project, GitHub community articles, enterprise platform, AI-powered developer platform, pricing, provide feedback, saved searches. Use saved searches to filter your results more quickly. Sign up. This commit does not belong to any branch on this repository and may belong to a fork outside of the repository. What is an awesome list? Contribution guide, creating a list, Twitter. Just type awesome.re to go here. Check out my apps and follow me on Twitter. Contents, platforms, programming languages, front-end development, back-end development, computer science, big data theory books, editors, gaming development, environment, entertainment, databases, media, learn security, content management systems, hardware, business work, networking, decentralized systems, health and social science events, testing, miscellaneous related platforms, Node.js, async, non-blocking, event-driven JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Cross-platform, writing cross-platform code on Node.js. Front-end development, iOS, mobile operating system for Apple phones and tablets. Android, mobile operating system developed by Google. IoT and hybrid apps. Electron, cross-platform native desktop apps using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Cordova, JavaScript API for hybrid apps. React Native, JavaScript framework for writing natively running mobile apps for iOS and Android. Xamarin, mobile app development IDE, testing and distribution. Linux Containers eBPF, virtual machine that allows you to write more efficient and powerful tracing and monitoring for Linux systems. Arch-based projects, Linux distributions and projects based on Arch Linux. App image, package apps in a single file that works on various mainstream Linux distributions. Mac OS, operating system for Apple's Mac computers. Screensavers apps, open source apps, watchOS, operating system for the Apple Watch. JVM, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Windows IPFS, P2P Hypermedia Protocol. Fuse, mobile development tools. Heroku, cloud platform as a service. Raspberry Pi, credit card-sized computer aimed at teaching kids programming, but capable of a lot more. Qt, cross-platform GUI app framework. Web extensions, cross-browser extension system. Smart TV, create apps for different TV platforms. GNOME, simple and distraction-free desktop environment for Linux. KDE, a free software community dedicated to creating an open and user-friendly computing experience. .NET Core Roslyn, open source compilers and code analysis APIs for C# and VB.NET languages. Amazon Alexa, virtual home assistant. DigitalOcean, cloud computing platform designed for developers. Flutter, Google's mobile SDK for building native iOS and Android apps from a single codebase written in Dart. Home Assistant, open source home automation that puts local control and privacy first. IBM Cloud, cloud platform for developers and companies. Firebase, app development platform built on Google Cloud. Robot Operating System 2.0, set of software libraries and tools that help you build robot apps. Adafruit.io, visualize and store data from any device. Cloudflare, CDN, DNS, DDoS protection and security for your site. Actions on Google, developer platform for Google Assistant. ESP, low-cost microcontrollers with Wi-Fi and broad IoT applications. Dino, a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript that uses V8 and is built in Rust. DOS, operating system for x86-based personal computers that was popular during the 1980s and early 1990s. Nix, package manager for Linux and other Unix systems that makes package management reliable,